We've been preparing well, had our normal camp last week, and coming from two main losses during the season, one against Menengai, which is the team we're playing in the semi-final. So we went back to the drawing board, looked where we slacked. Majorly we focused on areas we didn't perform well, and we've really worked on them. And we had the refs to guide us through in whatever calls we didn't do well, and hopefully we have an upper hand on the game.
Achieved what we wanted to achieve, which was getting to the semi-final, and it's a home semi-final for both teams. So we achieved what we were set out to do. The boys are looking good. We've had some good sessions Saturday, yesterday, about to have one today. It's going to be grueling. The pressure is always there. I mean, with every game, there's always pressure. It just depends on which team can absorb that pressure. It is that season, but we have to start with this semi-final first. Before we even look at the second step, we have to look at the first step, so that we ensure we're in that final, so that we can now leave it to that game only. Yes, I mean, we've missed them. We've missed them during the past games through niggling injuries and a few major injuries, like Omala is also back, Michael Omala is also back, and OJ is also back. So we're just taking them slowly through the paces, and hopefully there'll be the difference in the semi-final. Having the home fans behind you is always a boost, and having the supporters that we have who come in droves is always a plus for us, because they rally behind the boys, they encourage the boys, they push them that extra mile.